Oh my god, big coin holder, this is completely fails down. You can see here, this is the live price prediction. You can see here, my friend, this time the price is decreasing now, plus minus 28.02%. They fails down. You can see here, oh my goodness, very badly fails down, my friend. You can see here, I hope they, oh my goodness, they got off. Come on, hit, my friend. This time you can see here, this time the change occurs 0.000824000 USD dollar, my friend. The price is decreasing again very badly, my friend. A lot of holders tell me, ask me to what we do, sell, hold, or buy. So I make this live reduction, my friends, for all my videos, for all my holder friends, and my viewers and subscriber, everyone. If you are new on our channel, first of all, subscribe our YouTube channel, because this channel guide you every time, my friend. This time, if you can see here, my friends, they very badly fails down, my friend. Why they badly down? I explain to my friend. Okay, come to the point, my friends. This time, if you can see here, my friends, this is the chart of I think last 24 hour, my friend. And this time you can see here, they very badly fails down. So therefore, I'm very excited to see this result, because you can see here, they completely just only they fails down. But remember, my friends, to after a very bad falls, they take a jump. Remember, but this take a very small jump, so this is very bad. And after a very small jump, they again starting jump. So exactly, my friends, exactly, this is very bad for everyone, my friend. How is it possible today going off like a rocket, like a Dutch coin, especially, my friend? Dutch coin is one of the viral coin, my friend, and this time in the market they go like a rocket. So therefore, I am very excited to see the change occur, and this time the Dutch coin result absolutely, oh my goodness, they fails down more and more. So this is very bad news for everyone. But let's come out to the chart, the updates of chart, my friend. This time, if you can see here, my friend, the wing coin information. If you see this time, the wing coin 29.05%, they fails down, my friend, here, and the price as 0.00816 US dollar, my friend. They change now. So let's see. And the Bitcoin BTC especially very bad down, my friend. You can see here, and also Ethereum is also fails down, my friend. So let's see the market cap. You can see here, this time the low price is 0.0069. Oh my god, the price is come to 0.6. Oh my goodness, very bad, my friend. And the high is 0.0012. Oh my god, the high is also good, my friend. So and let's see, my friend, this time, if you can see here, the market cap has completely fails down 28.73%. 73% the market cap is fell down, my friend. So let's see this time, if you can see here, the full diluted market cap as 27.73% fell down. I can't believe this, my friends. This chat occur with 27.73%. Let's see, my friend, if you can check out this time the market volume. Absolutely, the volume of 24-hour. Can you see this? This is reality. 48.58% they go up. What a shot, my friend. What a shot. 1.28% market cap volume of market cap, my friends. This time you can see here. Okay, come out, my friends, for more detail. Okay, let's have this time. You can see here the prices again. You can see here at this point they are just only fails down, and this time you can see here the change occur and 0.008287 US dollar. So I think the price sometime going up, sometime falls down. Okay, let's see, my friend. Here is the question: how do you feel about a wing today? So absolutely, this is very good question, very great question, because you can see here, everyone tell us. Okay, I special post in my community tab to how did you feel okay today from Bitcoin. This time you can see tell me how I feel. They are completely fails down how I feel. My mind is stopped working, and they ask me to how you are feel. Oh my goodness, this time, okay, I tell you to how how do you feel about win today. Okay, so I feel very bad, my friends. Okay, so therefore I click on the bad. Let's see to they. Oh my goodness, oh my god, 100% bet. No one can vote this. So absolutely, therefore only unique me. So therefore they give me a good credit. Okay, 100% I am right. So this time, my friend, if you can see here, the wing price change occur and 0.00300, my friends, 300 change occur. Absolutely, this is good, my friend. But this time you can see here they fails down again, my friend. So I hope 300 is very high change, my friend, and at last 24 hour only 0.00800 as only total, my friend. price. So and the price 300 change occurred, so this is very good for wing holder. After 300 change occurred, they give you very good profit, my friend. This time you can see here the market the trending volume has gone up, my friend. 52.29% they got up. So congratulations everyone, my friend. If they got up, then absolutely they make you millionaire. They give you good profit, my friend, this time. But only the market cap, my friends, full diluted market cap very badly falls down. But let's see, my friends, to what's going on this time and the latest, my friend. Oh my goodness, my goodness, this time you can see here they're going up starting again. The price is 0.008343. Oh my goodness, they take a jump. Absolutely, I am alright, my friend. This is the circulation. If you can see here, after this falls they take a jump, and after this falls they take again dump, and after this they take again go up. So congratulations, my friends. Our target is here, my friend. They can hit 0.00900. Absolutely, they can hit it at just in 1 hour. Absolutely, they hit it if they go up like this style. You can see here, my friend, the volume is 500. Oh my goodness, time absolutely got up, my friends. You can see here, if they're going like this, just like this, then they can easily hit $1, my friend. Sorry, 0.1 my friend. So what you say, can they can hit it? I hope they hit it, my friend. The target is very high, but I hope they can hit it. Okay, let's see, my friend. This time, if you check out, my friends, the live charts, you can see here of the last 24 hours, they very badly falls down completely, my friends. They badly falls down. You can see here they are completely falls down. You can see here. Okay, my friend, this time if you check out, they are falls down very badly, but you can see here also, and after that they go up, my friend. You can see here the the resistance line is here, I think. So no, resistance line is here. Yes. So my friend, after that they completely falls down, and you can see here, my friend, if they come here, then absolutely you can see here after this point they can give you $0.1. Then absolutely they can cross that $0.1. But if the red has come here, my friend, otherwise this is impossible to they can hit $1, my friend. So please be bet. This is a very long time to they can hit it, my friend. But I hope at the end of this month, I hope they can easily hit it, my friend. So wait for a good time, my friends. They're going up like a rocket. Please don't sell it. Everybody understand to don't sell it, because the good time is coming soon now. Everybody know my prediction is that in upcoming days they're going up. Exactly, they starting going up, my friend. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of the month. I hope they give you a good profit. Please keep touch with us. Subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and update. Subscribe and yes, channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, my brother. Also like this video. If you are new on our channel, then please watch my videos for latest news and production, my friend. Oh my goodness, this time you see here 0.008474.5% they gone up. So you can see here they starting moving up. What you say, can they go up? They can cross $0.11, $0.0011. Please tell me in a comment box. This is very important, because if you tell me also, then absolutely I am alright, my friend, and I make more video for you this time. Thanks for watching. Please also subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Okay guys, see you next time. See you soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.